This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer multiple photos from your iPhone over to your iPad, and this is actually really easy to do. So let's just go ahead and open up my phone here and then transfer over some videos or photos. So you want to go over to the top right and swipe on down, and we're going to be using AirDrop to do this. So you can see this symbol right here, AirDrop. Just turn that on. It's that simple. So swipe on down, turn on AirDrop right here on your iPad right here, and it's set for everyone. Now you might have to type in a code. I already did that, so once you turn it on, you're not going to have to type in another code for 10 minutes, I believe. So once you have that typed in, all you have to do is go to Photos. So find your photos wherever it may be. So I got some lovely photos here of me. So we just want to go up to the top and hit Select now. So let's go to Select. Tap on a couple different photos. So I got a couple different photos right here. Okay, now once those are selected, go to this little bottom box with the up arrow, go to AirDrop. So let's go to AirDrop. So we're going to AirDrop this right now. So let's go to AirDrop. Then pick your iPad or iPhone or whatever device on here, and then you can see Accept. Let's go to Accept and transfer over 3 pictures. So this might be one of the pictures, and then I go to the right. Oh my gosh. Here's some clouds, and then here's a small video. So it's that easy to transfer multiple photos over on your iPad. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.